Joining in, coming to the close of what's been a very strong week for our market. The Nifty Sensex end with gains of more than about 4%. The Nifty today touched the 23,400 mark on an intraday basis. It's closing shy of that level, but with a gain of 180 points. Sensex higher by 625 points. Nifty up more than 4%. The broader markets, mid-cap index up more than 7.5%. Small cap index with a gain of close to about 8%. Remember, today's flow picture will be impacted by the FTSE rebalance, which is expected to result in inflows of about $1.4 billion to be precise. Lots of PSU stocks on the gainers list today. So if you look at the front line, gainers, you've got an SBI Life, NTPC, BPCL, ONGC. PSUs, life insurance stocks did well. SBI Life was the top gainer for the day and for the week. In the Bajaj Finance, where Rajiv Jain has now been elevated, the uncertainty comes to an end. The street is happy that he stays on with the group, committed to the business. The stock hit a fresh 52-week high, 3% higher. And then you had a couple of pharma names and healthcare. So Sun Pharma, Apollo Hospital on the buyers list, and autos. Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, also higher in trade. TVS Motors stands out. On the way down, IT on the back foot. Infi, Wipro closing in the red. Accenture is also impacted by its exposure to the US government, but they also spoke about elevated uncertainty, how discretionary spending is still tight, particularly for smaller deals. So that weighed on sentiment. Trent and Hindalco were the other losers.
Absolutely, and just looking at the broader end of the market as well, outperformance came in from the mid and small cap today. When you're looking at the names on the broader side, we have MRPL, RK Forging, Tejas Network, Jupiter Wagons among some of these gainers. Other than that, the defense names surely were a bust. BDL, Bharat Dynamics, that too was something that was on the buzz. And on the flip side, we did have some of the names coming in as well, which was Amber Enterprises, TBO Tech on the back of that big block deal. So that is something that we're keeping an eye out on. But with that, we'll wind down this edition of Closing Bell on CNBC-TV18. Thank you so much from Rima, myself, as well as the team who put this show together. Don't go anywhere. Editor's Roundtable is up next.